Today I'm gonna tell you how you can give advice or how you can forward someone or how you can speak English with your junior. And this video lesson is going to be very much important for you because this video lesson is your basic lesson and it will help you to be fluent. If you want to advise your junior brother or junior sister or any junior, you can uh, give him order and you can give him advice. Like if you want to tell your brother to be attentive to a study, you can say please, or you can say in types of order, be attentive to your study, or you can give him or her advice, be attentive and be concentrative or be serious in your study. And if you want to order or advise someone, you can start your sentence with verbs and base form of your verbs. Like if you tell your junior brother or sister to take food, you can say take your lunch, take your breakfast early, uh, take your lunch quickly. In this way, you can give someone order or advice. If you want to forbid someone not to do anything, or if you want to forbid your junior to stop something, you can say, or you can start your sentence with don't or never or any negative word. Don't tell a lie, or don't run in the sun, or don't go out while it is raining. And you can also say don't waste your time, don't mix with bad company, or don't mix with bad boys or bad girls, and don't neglect your study. Or you can start your sentence with never disrespect your parents, never neglect your responsibility, never put off any work for tomorrow. In this way, you can forbid someone. And if you want to forbid someone, you need to start your sentence with negative word like don't or never. And if you want to propose someone to go anywhere or to do any work, you can start your sentence with let's. In this way, you can say let's go to play, or let's go to university, let's go to college, or let's go to market, let's do our work, let's help the helpless, let's help the poor, let's pull the car, let's bring some books. In this way, you can propose someone to do anything with you. And if you want to uh, request someone to help you, you can start your sentence or you can start your speech with please or kindly. Please help me. Please help the poor. Please bring me a book. Please give me your pen. Please give me your pencil. In this way, you can request someone to do anything with you or to do anything in favor of you. Another type of sentence you can say in your spoken English that you can enjoy uh, your happiness with someone. So you can say, let's come to enjoy. Let's come to enjoy. You can also express your happiness or express your sadness. And if you want to express your happiness, you can say your sentence with what, where, how. What a beautiful day it is. What a beautiful scenery it is. What a beautiful building it is. What a beautiful flower it is. What a nice bird it is. How nice the bird is. Or how beautiful country our motherland is. How beautiful the cocoa is. Or you can say how nice my shirt is. How beautiful my dress is. Or what a nice dress you have bought. what a nice mobile you have bought. In this way you can express your happiness, or if you want to express your sadness, you can also use what or how sad he is, how unhappy he is, how lazy he is. In this way you can express your sadness or your happiness. And you can also use some words to express your sadness, or express your unhappiness, or express your excitement. Hurrah! Bravo! We have won the game. And if you want to express your sadness, you can say, alas, alas, your father died. Alas, your father died. Or you can also say, if you want to express your hate, you can say, fee, fee, you are a liar. Fee, you are a cheater. Fee, you are a dishonest man. You are a dishonest guy. You are a dishonest girl. So in this way, you can express your hate. So I have here taught you how you can give advice or order to someone, how you can forbid someone to do anything, or how you can propose someone to do anything with you, how you can request someone to do anything in favor of you, how you can express your happiness, or how you can express your sadness. I have here given you that formula or a structure, or tips how in our daily communication we need to use this type of sentences to communicate with others, and we need to express our order, request, or purpose, or we need to use our we need to express our sadness in our daily communication. So you can use this type of formula to make millions and millions English sentences. If you need to practice speaking English, if you don't have any partner or couple, you can communicate with me. I will accompany you, and I must share my WhatsApp number on the screen, and I will also give my WhatsApp number in the description box. You can give me message, and I must respond you, and I will accompany you to practice speaking English in everyday life, because without practicing you cannot be fluent in spoken English. So this video lesson was useful, and if you think that, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And I need to finish here. Thank you everybody. Thanks for watching.